Hey, what is up guys? It's Brendan here, and today we're going to be taking a look at 9 of the best small business loans. What are the best companies when it comes to getting a small business loan and securing the funding that you need in order to fund your small business? That's what we're going to be breaking down here in today's video. And of course, if you want to check out any of the companies we mentioned here in today's video, you can check out that first link down below in the video description. That's brandonvalesky.com/best small business loans. Again, it'll be that first link down below in the video description. And without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into things. And again, breaking down the list of the best companies for getting a small business loan. Now, this page is done in partnership with money.com, where we rank and put together the list of the best small business loans so you can get the capital you need to get your small business running, or when things get tight, a small business loan could help you stay afloat and move forward. So you can click below to explore your loan options today, again, at that first link down below in the video description. Again, that's brandonvalesky.com/best small business loans. So it'll take you right over to this page here where we rank and put together that list. And this page is always up to date. So no matter when you're watching this video, this page will be up to date with the best ranked list of the top small business loan companies. And kicking off this list here today, of course, is OnDeck. Now, OnDeck does take our #1 spot here because they offer up to $250K for established businesses. Now, keep in mind that throughout this list, there's going to be different loan amounts, different loan types, and different credit score ranges. So no matter if you have maybe bad credit or new credit, if you're a startup business, a lot of these different online lenders can provide resources and options for you when it comes to different types of small business funding, so you can best assess, what kind of funding that you need for your business and how to choose, depending on the different loans and different companies and small business loan offerings as that is available to you and what you qualify for inside your business. Again, depends on a variety of factors we'll be breaking down in this video as well. Now, first off, again, taking a look here at OnDeck, they do also offer term loans that can fund the same day, so you can get same day fast funding as well. You also have their lines of credit can fund instantly, and they have a fast application process with no hard credit pulls, as well as flexible repayment terms at 12, 18, and 24 months. If you click here to learn more, with OnDeck, as you can see here, they do make their funding easy. With over 150,000 businesses, you can apply in minutes for up to $250K with no obligation or hard credit pulls, which can be nice. Again, no hard credit pulls means soft application. Now, with OnDeck, they have, again, like I mentioned, over 150,000 businesses, and they've funded that since 2006 with $15 billion delivered across the US and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. In terms of the different funding options that they do have available, it is their OnDeck line of credit and OnDeck term loan. Now, the line of credit is a revolving credit line you can draw from 24/7 to receive funds within seconds, and these credit limits range anywhere from $6K on the low end up to $200K with flexible repayment terms of, again, that 12, 18, or 24 months, and it can be great for ongoing business needs. They also have their term loans, which can be a one-time lump sum of cash with an eventual option to apply for more, and these loan amounts range from anywhere from $5K to $250K, and with repayment terms up to 24 months, and this is better for those larger investments inside your business. Now, other things to keep in mind is their minimum requirements. Again, we already talked about that they have no hard credit pulls, fast funding, and you can build your business credit history. In terms of if you're a match and their minimum credit requirements, now again, if you don't meet these requirements we're about to go into, you can also check out other lenders available in this video here today, because you might be meeting different lenders' minimum requirements. But with OnDeck, they have to have at least 1 year in business, a business checking account, 100K in business annual revenue, and at least a personal FICO score of 625 in order to qualify for OnDeck. Again, you can check them out at the links available in the video description. Moving in at #2, we have is Biz2 Credit. Now, Biz2 Credit offers loan amounts ranging from 5K on the low end up to 5 million on the high end, and they have average monthly revenue requirements of 100K. So that is quite high. I know that is steep. Not everybody watching this video may necessarily qualify for that. That is for larger businesses, but that's their average monthly revenue requirements. If that's not you, again, continue watching this video so you get a better match as to what lender might be better for you. Again, skip along or maybe check out OnDeck as well. With Biz2 Credit, if that is you, then the minimum FICO credit score is actually less at just 580, and the minimum time in business to apply is just 18 months. And they have low rates and flexible terms for qualified businesses, and you can get funding in as as little as 24 hours. And they also allow you to pre-qualify for working capital, term loans, or commercial real estate loans. Those are typically the kind of higher level revenue businesses that might meet that revenue requirement. If you take a look here at Biz2Credit, again, clicking the learn more, again, you can select, how long you've been in business, your credit score, your annual revenue. I would feel free and recommend to apply and get started with a lot of these different companies, because by getting pre-qualified with a lot of these small business online lenders, you can apply in minutes with no impact to your credit score. And it can be a good way to at least see what you qualify for and kind of test the waters with a variety of lenders. Again, with no impact to your credit score, it's really not anything against you if you're going through seeing at least what you can pre-qualify for and which company might be a good match. Now, looking at Biz2Credit, again, they have a 5-step process to get funded. You just sign up, get pre-qualified, submit your application. At that point, you can receive approval and get funded, and you get those funds deposited to your account online. They do have their business term loans as well as revenue-based financing, given different fund ranges, again, with different FICO score ranges as well. So honestly, the best way to see what you qualify for with Biz2Credit, again, fill out their online application available at the links in the video description. Moving at number 3 we have is Credibly. Now, Credibly offers funding options for 500 credit score businesses, as well as loans ranging from on the low end of $5,000 up to $600K, with business lines of credit and equipment financing. And you can get pre-qualified online in minutes with access to funding in less than 24 hours. If you click learn more here, as you can see, Credibly's online application, so you can get financing up to $600K and get approved in as little as just 2 hours for their small business financing program. And on the low end, you just need at least a 500 credit score, which is pretty low, which is nice that Credibly does have that minimum requirement is pretty low. However, you do need at least 6 months time in business and $15K in minimum monthly bank deposits, which I get that might be a little bit high for some startup businesses, but if you're a more established business, that's definitely doable. And at least you do need 3 most recent months business bank statements. Again, that's going to be in total deposits. So that's just however much money is getting total deposits to your account. And they have merchant cash advances, working capital loans, business lines of credit, as well as additional financing options. Again, if you want to fill out their online application, it's available in the video description. Moving along at number 4, we have is Fora Financial, hence the number 4 spot. You can receive loan funds within 24 to just 48 hours of approval, and you can borrow up to $1.5 million with repayment terms of 4 to 18 months. And you can protect your credit score with a soft inquiry during the application process. That's something you're going to find common across most of these online lenders. And they offer no hidden fees, making it easy to manage your finances confidentially. Do keep in mind, though, it is not available in North Dakota. So if you're in that state in the U.S., not available there. If you click the learn more link here with Fora Financial, again, you can see how much your financing you can qualify for, again, based on your business revenue. Now, in terms of their funding options, again, the funding solutions, you can use it to buy equipment, expand your business, maintain cash flow, renovate, manage expenses, purchase inventory, maybe marketing campaign, or payroll and staffing up. Again, now that is a good option when it comes to getting your funding. Again, you can apply, get a decision, and receive your funds in as little as just 24 hours with them for a financial. Again, you can see how much you qualify for with them. Moving in at number 5 in this list here today, we have is Advance Point, and you can select from a wide range of funding options for your business. You can apply in minutes and get transparent application process with no hidden fees, and you get funded in as little as 24 hours in some cases, and they are rated A+ by the Better Business Bureau. If we take a look here at Advance Point, again, you can get matched and find the quote for the right loan for your business. They have over 7,500 small business customers with $375 million+ in funded capital, and they offer a variety of different types of small business loans. This includes regular business loans, business lines of credit, SBA business loans, invoice financing, revenue-based financing, as well as equipment financing. So if any of these, match your terms and what you're looking for, then definitely check out Advance Point. Again, you can get started today by applying online minutes, and you can get multiple different loan options, an array of valuable, financing options, and work with their financing experts at Advance Point, and you can get funded in as little as 24 hours for your business. Again, they do support businesses nationwide, so no matter what state you're in across the US, you can be sure that they do support you in your small business and finding, what kind of small business might be the best match for you. You can get your quote today. Again, available at the links in the video description. Moving along, next in this list we have is businessloans.com. Now, they are a little bit different from a lot of the other companies in this list, where a lot of the other companies are either direct finance providers and they provide the financing directly, but Business Loans allows you to compare multiple offers in less than 3 minutes, and they have loan amounts up to $3 million with a free application with no credit check, and they have short and long-term loans available and on-demand line of credit up to a fixed limit. If we take a look here at Business Loans, again, you just select when you first start your business, and then you go through their easy online application process to get you matched with offers. And after they enter in your business, of course, and your information, they can get you matched with offers and final details as to what you qualify for based on their lenders. Again, you can click learn more at the links in the video description. Moving on, next in this list we have is Revenued. Now, Revenued is an online tracking platform, again, a little bit different as well from the other lenders mentioned earlier in this list. They're an online tracking platform and a personal account manager to keep your business goals in check. So they have loan amounts ranging on the low end from $5K all the way up to $500K, and they do have an average yearly revenue requirement of $250K, but they don't have a minimum credit score. So there's no minimum credit score, and a minimum time in business to apply is just 1 year. If we take a look here at Revenued, as you can see, they have their online application form, but they do have their Revenued Flex line where you can apply and you can get a funding decision in as little as an hour. They do have their Flex line as well as their Revenued Business Card, which is something that you can use, for gas stations, hotels, supply stores, supermarkets, whatever you need for your business, which can be a good way just to keep track of your business spending and put it all on that Revenued Business Card. So it's a little bit different from maybe traditional other lenders. They do also offer their Flex line, which can be a good way if you need a cash draw. You can do that at the tap of your finger with their Flex line. Again, that is Revenued. Again, they can be a good option just to manage your business funds. And they do offer that Flex line as well as the business card, which can be built for, a lot of businesses. And it's something that, you don't see from most other small business lenders, as they are more of an online tracking platform for your business and everything when it comes to like the business financing side of things. Moving on, next in this list at number 8 we have is National Funding. And National Funding is a BBB accredited company with cash in as little as 24 hours, and you have loan amounts ranging all the way up to $500K, and they do have an average yearly revenue requirement of $250K with a minimum credit score of 600 on your personal FICO. And they do have a minimum time in business to apply is just 6 months. Now, it is also not available in California, so do just keep that in mind with National Funding. So if you're in California, you gotta look elsewhere. But with National Funding, they do offer small business loans. You just get your funding options by selecting, your gross sales, where your range is here. Again, that is gross annual gross sales. That's estimated sales in your business generated in the last 12 months. Again, that's going to be that same estimated gross annual sales for pretty much all the online lenders that you're applying for. But you do have minimum requirements. As we mentioned, you do at least need a business bank account as well. And you can apply online with their online form and get approved in as little as 24 hours. And again, funding up to $500K for your small business. Again, no matter what you need, whether it's capital expenditures, growing your business, paying certain bills, keeping cash available or on the sidelines, you have the ability to protect your personal finances and maintain independence from other equity partners inside your business. Again, that is National Funding. Moving on, last but not least in this list here today is LendZ. So LendZ offers loans ranging from $25K up to $5 million, and you can get a decision in as fast as 24 hours and get funded in as quick as 72 hours. And applying does not affect your credit score, and you can apply online in minutes. If you click learn more here with LendZ, again, you enter in what type of legal entity your business is. Again, a sole proprietor, LLC, S Corp. You go through and you can apply in minutes and get funding pretty quickly. Again, 15K to $5 million It's a pretty quick process with Lenzy. Again, you can apply and see what you qualify for with their small business loan program. So guys, that pretty much wraps up today's video here on some of the best small business loans. Again, if you want to check out any of the companies mentioned here in today's video, check out that first link down below in the video description. That'll take you right over to this page here where you can get the ranked list of the top small business loan companies. Guys, if you found this video helpful or enjoyed it, then be sure to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button as well, and notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. Anyway guys, that's all for today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.